Mother Earth, our home. For eternity, Mother Earth has blessed us with love and breathtaking beauty. Showing her resilience and durability while birthing the magical cotton plant. Where NYTIL Textile derives your elegant garments and fabrics with cotton gathered from all regions, coming with a collective Ugandan spirit. The roots of NYTIL are woven into Ugandan pride and culture. Founded in 1953, NYTIL covers 144 acres with 66,000 square meters of built-up area and sits on the same soils as the great and majestic River Nile.
NYTIL was established in 1953 by Calico Printers of United Kingdom. It was taken over by the Uganda government under the Uganda Development Corporation. When we took over the plant in 1996, it was a closed plant with all dilapidated machinery. We started a very challenging long journey to revive the plant. With grace of God, workers' enthusiasm, government, bankers and customer support, we have completed 25 years of a very long journey.
The story of NYTIL is an extraordinary story of persistence, hard work, excellence and trust. The management of NYTIL, with vast experience in the textile industry spanning decades, has overseen an enormous transformation from an entity on the verge of collapse to a thriving modern facility with the latest technologies.
We have a production capacity of more than 15 million meters per annum. In the process, we have invested over $40 million US. We are proud to have a very vibrant industry employing more than 2,500 workforce. We produce shirting, sheeting, suitings, knitwear and knitted garments. We are committed to continue further development of the company under leadership of Mr. NYTIL Putra.
NYTIL is the innovative leader in its space, creating some of the most finest and durable fabrics in East and Central Africa. Since we took over the management, our key motto has been to continuously keep doing product improvement and product innovation. Our investment towards high